I hope this records good. If my memory serves me correct, this scope is not the best with this. Shh, the water's high, fellas. Water's awfully high. Have to shoot through here. Let me see. I lift it up a hair. It's really just hitting in the same spot at least. Oh, maybe. Right on the money. Oh my God. That was a half inch. I hope you guys can see it. That was a little lower. Right in there. And the thing is, guys, I'm not even resting it well. One more. Right in there. I would say that's 1.25 inches. I hope you guys could see it. I hope you guys could see that. If not, I'll have to get the other scope on here. And there it is. Headgun Marana. That we drilled the choke out in my kitchen. My subscribers and myself drilled the choke out. The barrel was already polished. Now, fellas, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that progressive choke on this thing. It's tight. It's pretty tight. I'd say 1.25 inches, and this is the first time I shot this gun. That means we went from the video, drilling the choke, putting the new crown on, and shooting. And I hope we got it on video. If we didn't, I'm gonna post this. If we didn't, I promise you, other scope on here tomorrow. I'll put the Hawk on here, and we will get some really good video of where this thing's hitting. And you know what? It should be dry enough to get targets out there tomorrow. So we're gonna have measurements. We're gonna have measurements. What a gorgeous gun. Just beautiful. You know what it's made like? My Artemis P12. It's made like a tank. You know, if you're gonna get a high-end gun, why wouldn't you get one that's tough and strong, like an Ed gun? Beautiful gun, fellas. I gotta go in and I gotta post the last half of that video. So let's do it tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be calm like it is now. And you know what I was just shooting through there? Knockouts. I've got about 50 left. So I got JSBs. We've got Nielsen specialty ammo to try. H&N I've got FX, but I've never had any luck with FX out of a slug barrel. They're really good in some choked barrels, but I've never had any luck. They're light, you know, they don't travel too far too fast. But yeah, I'm excited for tomorrow. Let's get this thing on paper tomorrow, then we're gonna know.